excursion today, or this morning, is called Panoramic Bordeaux. These are all warehouses for wine storage.
Paul is going to do. Right now we are leaving the river. We are going to do a loop towards the south and come back to the river. Okay. In fact, quite late. In fact, in the 1700 and the 1800, that the
this is facades from the 1600s.
You have this. Was the second born, so he had been brought up to go into religion. So he was very pious. But you know of Aquitaine after. Look on the left, on this square, we are on the Place des Quinconces. And in that place there was, from the mid-1400 to French king, to keep Bordeaux, to keep an eye on Bordeaux, because once the French king in the mid-1400 kicked out the English, Bordeaux wanted to stay English, wanted the English to come back. So in fact there is an antique market opening, and it will be open in the afternoon. So when you come back on Friday, the most beautiful square in Bordeaux, we call it La Place de la Bourse, the Stock Exchange Square, because there was a stock exchange, of course, but in fact was built in the 1700s, when they got rid of all the ramparts. And in fact, the important people, when they were coming to Bordeaux, they would be like you, they would be on some comfortable ship. The Roman Empire, very dignified, on a horse. And then at the time of the French Revolution, his statue, which was, you're going to see one of the old gates of Bordeaux. Look at that.
That's the old gate, that's gorgeous.
Yes, yes, yes. So, in fact, we only have two of them left. If you look on the right of that gate, you can see where the ramparts were attached to it, where it goes. And so, this gate was very, very important, because on the other side, inside that gate, it's where there was the palace of the Duke of Aquitaine. Alors, this gate has a big bell. Guess how it's called? The Big Bell Gate, yes. If you look next to it, to the right of the Big Bell Gate, you a little at the end of Rue Sainte-Catherine on the right is where you have the opera, and it's where we are going to start our walking tour. Okay, so it's a street, the Rue Sainte-Catherine, of about 1 mile long.
It's 1 mile long. It's all pedestrian.
Very important man from Bordeaux, who is called Montesquieu. You see him on the right village. So look on the right, and with the scaffoldings again.
There's a golden Madonna on the top of St. Andrew.
And at the end of the garden, at the back of the garden, you have the town hall. And you can see that the town hall here on the right is facing the cathedral, with the ground floor and the little mezzanine. Above each of the arch, you have this mascaron. Was the place where there was the guillotine. So right now we are driving through ghosts. Okay, but we are going to go left, and if we were going straight, we would go also to the opera. It's just so right now we're going left, and
this is like
for the ones who are from Chicago, this is the Magnificent Mile walking tour. Is they have a lot of stores, very.
That's the opera right out there.
Wine store, a lot of wine store. This wine store is on a very small base, okay, kind of base.
Oh, that's an Intercontinental. What a spot. No electrical lines on the tram. The electricity goes through the third rail.
When the tram passes over the thing, it gives out electricity, and it's not very good.
Feminine Figures by Jean Plançon. The beautiful dog. Is he beautiful? No, it's walking tour time. This is all for people who were sent to a concentration camp. There was an artist deported to Auschwitz, Abraham.
French name.
No, lots of. A mascaron is these little faces that are above every single window.
You can see again all the facades are the same. They are above the windows.
They're all along there.
Because I didn't understand what you. If you look to the left down there, you see.
That is the original name of the square. This is part of the Route de Compostela that shows the route.
And in fact, the pilgrims who are going in
It's the famous Rue St. Catherine that runs for 1 mile. It's supposedly the longest pedestrian street in Europe. Warren, look. Pasta di Nata. This street actually dates from the time of the Romans. I'm looking at McDonald's in other countries to see what they've got. There's Gallery Lafayette.
Bordeaux, cannelé, and there are cookies with all around it's like that.
Oh, pardon. That's what they are. Canal de Bordeaux.
Especially Croissant.
That needs no explanation. The arcade. Oh, they open like a flower.
So then you come back into your car, just do like that, into your car, shake the umbrella.
Passage. Sargent. Started to be built at the end of the 1600s. Another Notre Dame Cathedral. He is serving very beautiful pink ladies.
You want one?
No, I have one right now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's got gin in it, which is why I'm drinking it.